I rise today with a great pride as we once again recognize an achievement that brings honor not only to our province but also to our dear fellow kaprobinsyaans. During the 2026 Mexilag Fest held from May 2 to 9, 2026 at Playa Los Pinos in Mazatlan, Mexico, another Filipino proudly emerged victorious on the international stage. Mr. Rogelio R. Esquivel Jr., more popularly known as J.R. Esquivel, a resident of Orbistondo, San Juan, La Union, and a passionate surfing enthusiast, was declared champion of this prestigious international competition. Mr. Esquivel has long been recognized for his exceptional talent, dedication, and skill in the sport of surfing. In his Facebook post dated May 11, 2026, he expressed heartfelt gratitude and disbelief at achieving back-to-back championship victories in the Mexilag Fest, a testament to his perseverance and discipline. The said festival gathered surfers, athletes, and delegates from various countries around the world, showcasing not only athletic excellence but also camaraderie and cultural exchange among nations. Through his remarkable achievement, Mr. Esquivel once again demonstrated that the Filipino talent, determination, and resilience are truly world-class and beyond measure. Indeed, his victory serves as an inspiration to aspiring athletes and a source of pride for the province of La Union and for the entire Filipino people. With this, Mr. Presiding Officer, my dear colleagues, to show our sincerest gratitude, I would like to pass a resolution conveying our most profound congratulations and commendation to Mr. Rogelio R. Esquivel Jr. that will be taken later during the unassigned business. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.